In this video, we'll look at the Mu editor and CircuitPython. The Mu editor enables beginners to program a Raspberry Pi Pico using CircuitPython. CircuitPython can be downloaded from circuitpython.org/downloads. Click on the picture of the Raspberry Pi Pico and then click Download UF2 now. This is the CircuitPython firmware you need to run CircuitPython on your Pico. Simply hold down the Boot Select button on your Pico as you connect it to your computer's USB. This will cause your Pico to appear like a USB drive you can drag the firmware onto. CircuitPython is based on Python, the fastest growing programming language. Python is easier to read, write and maintain, and it supports modules, meaning that it is easier to reuse, modify and improve. CircuitPython adds hardware support to the great features of Python. CircuitPython is great for beginners and it's easy to get started. Mu is a simple code editor that works with CircuitPython boards like the Raspberry Pi Pico. It is written in Python and works with Windows, Linux and Mac operating systems. You can download Mu from codewith.mu. Simply click the download button, choose your operating system and double-click the installer package. To get started with CircuitPython, the Mu editor downloads in one package, so you won't need anything else to program your Raspberry Pi Pico except the Pico itself, a USB socket and a micro USB cable. Once the program is installed, select the mode, in this case we'll choose CircuitPython with the snake logo, and you can get started straight away. Code is easy to add, load, save and run. You can type or paste your code into the console, and loading your code is as simple as connecting via a micro USB and clicking run. It has a simple, uncluttered interface, and Mu has only the essential features needed, so users are not immediately overwhelmed by a complicated interface. Writing and pasting code into the console is very simple. Mu provides simple controls for loading, saving and managing your code projects, uploading them to your Pico as well as tidying them up or testing them out. A serial console is built right in so you can get immediate feedback from your board's outputs for data gathering projects. On the first run, it will take a moment to configure itself. The Mu editor allows you to zoom in and out, as well as tidying or checking your code. Mu also enables you to live code your Pico or plot live data from the Pico. Mu is great for CircuitPython and beginners on the Raspberry Pi Pico. And there you have it.